614 in tow behind me. I gotta get the tune cleaned up or looked at. I'm sure it's fine. I've been driving the hell out of the car. I'm just worried, so I'm gonna go take it into Andrew and he's gonna go ahead and reassure me that we're all good. Maybe add a little more power. I'm on 5 pounds of boost right now. I'm trying to get about 10. We might add a little bit of boost. After I'm done with the dyno, I'm headed over to a body shop and possibly repair it. If they have time to repair it this week, then I'll be golden. Just pulled up to Animal Auto. It's early in the morning. Car looks like garbage.
Whoops.
Just showed up, already changing springs. I had a 5 pound spring in there. We're gonna shoot for like 10-ish, hopefully. I'm a dipshit, right, Andrew?
I wouldn't say you're a dipshit, man.
I tried to be prepared, but
I think
I'm
you're
never...
a pretty cool guy.
Andrew walked me through what I was missing, which was quite a few little things.
It's actually nothing too crazy. What we wanted to do is add an air temperature sensor this time around, since you never had one. The wiring was always there for it. It was just a matter of putting a bung and actually placing one in there. So now we have intake air temperatures actually on the logs, which is something we should have had to begin with.
So you're saying we can make it safer?
Yeah, because when intake air temperatures get high, or you're driving in like an elevated temperature, like high ambient summertime, we're gonna pull a little bit of timing.
Yes.
Yeah, and on top of that, it does help with fueling and everything else, of course, because we measure density based off the temperature.
And we changed the wastegate spring because before I had an 18 pound spring, but it ended up being 21 pounds of boost, had a lot of torque, and it hit really hard. So I put in what I thought was a 10 pound spring, but it made 5 pounds of boost. So we took a guess. And
Yeah, we just like randomly grabbed a spring and hope that it brings it up to 10 pounds or something.
We just squeeze it and it feels right. It's gonna be right.
Feels like 10 pounds.
Feel like 10 pounds. I'm so excited. It sounds so good. You got me exactly what I wanted. A clean 400 horsepower, 350 torque, full boost at 3,500 RPM. This thing's gonna be amazing.
So we're gonna make the shift lights change colors when that happens. Right now they're coming on at 7,000. So we're gonna have it come on right when your rev limit's actually induced. But we're gonna also change the colors on the strip here. Right now. Let's change it to red, yellow, green or something.
That's cool.
You like, so.
Sick. I love that display. It looks so cool. Gonna keep me safe too.
That's a little cooler.
Spicy. First test. Woo. That feels real good.
It's a cool street car.
It's a good street car. It's exactly what I wanted. That boost is immediate. Just love it. Headed to the body shop, get a whole bunch of tasks done in one day. Utilize the trailer when I have it. It's a good day. Made a bunch of horsepower at Animal Auto. Gonna get everything fixed up. Looking good for once. So I'm really pumped. Just made it to Hadley Auto Body. This man, Jose, crazy enough to say, hey man, I can fix your car because I've got 10 days before I have to be in an event. So he's gonna take this pile of crap and fix it up best as he can.
I've done it 5 days, not 10.
5 days. See, this man with confidence, but he's really close to me, so it's pretty sweet that I can stop by after the dyno, finish the day off like this. You know what sucks is like, you go dyno the car and it's sick. You're like, I want to drive it. And then you're like, all right, I'll go give it to somebody else for 5 days.
Go sit in Bondo dust for another 5 days. We'll get it nice and detailed for you though.
Man, it needs a little bit. I was telling him before, I was like, you know, I'm a pretty good driver and I rarely have mistakes, but this car isn't really evidence of that. So make it look like this never happened.
All right, done.
But I appreciate this so much, and I can't wait to see some of these results because I've been staring at this for way too long. It's gonna be so fucking slow through here. They're gonna make it. Oh, yeah. Not bad. Oh! Son! Yo! Bro! Get it? Yo! Oh! Video is on you, bud.
Pass it off, bro. Rolling shots.
Oh, dude! Yeah! Super low! Good! Through the legs! Through the legs! Through the legs!
Pass the camera through the legs.
Meow. Meow. So I've just pulled up to Hadley Auto Body to see the finished product of my car. Jose worked endlessly.
How you doing?
How'd it go?
Dude, it was great. It came out amazing. The flake, I hope you love it.
Dude, I can't wait.
He
He said 5
It's
days.
a brand new drift car.
He said 5 days, he delivered. Oh, it's so Rolls Royce. He said 5 days, delivered. Can't wait to actually see. Oh my God. Would you look at this thing? Woo! You guys are incredible.
You like it?
Oh yeah, dude, that shimmer is so good too.
I know you told me not to put the interior together really, but I got the seat in, I got the harness in,
So,
got the dash in, got everything in for you.
I had a little wiring issue. It wouldn't start. It got so hot the other day because it was like 150 degrees here in California that 2 of my wires melted together. So Jose and I went to look into it. We started at the ECU, which was like kind of the wrong thing because we found it all the way at the fuel pump. But we had to start somewhere.
Yep, we started somewhere at the wrong end, but somewhere.
Jose figured it out. So got it running again. And now I am so stoked, man. This is gonna look so good. Can't wait to go home and put the wheels on, but before I do, this guy's cleared out a little bit of a space and they want to see a show. So I just got the car home. I'm super pumped with it. It looks fantastic. More pumped because I get to throw on these new wheels from 3-piece wheels. These look amazing. I can't wait to see what they look like on the car. They're S14 wheels, the stockies, but re-lipped and barreled. Should look real good on my freshly painted S14. I'm pumped. And then I got these door cards from Street Faction. They look so good. So much detail. They're super light. It's gonna clean up the interior a lot. Well, I got the wheels mounted, shined her up, and Drew is taking pictures of it like we're 17. Woo! In a parking lot in the middle of nowhere.
In the park.
gotta go a little bit lower. I gotta take the helper spring out of the back because that's pretty much as low as it can go, but I want it to go lower. And then a little bit of a spacer up front. I'm in love with how it looks. I love it.